In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable typo protection in Microsoft Edge in just a few simple steps. This is a helpful privacy and security feature that can reduce the chances of landing on the wrong website when you accidentally misspell a web address. If you've ever typed a URL too fast and worried about being sent to a harmful or fake site, this setting is definitely worth turning on. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main settings menu where you can access all of Edge's privacy and security options. From the menu, click on Settings. This will take you into the full Edge settings page. On the left-hand side, you should see several categories. Click on Privacy, Search, and Services. This section contains many of the browser's protection and tracking controls, so it's the right place to look for security-related features. Once you're inside Privacy, Search, and Services, scroll through the options until you find the Security section. Click on Security to open the available protection settings. Here, you'll see a list of browser safety features designed to help keep your browsing more secure. Now look for Website Typo Protection. This is the setting you want to enable. Turn the toggle on to activate it. When this option is on, Microsoft Edge can help protect you from accidental typos in website addresses and guide you away from potentially unsafe pages. After switching it on, you're all set. There's no extra setup required. The change should take effect right away, and you can continue browsing with an extra layer of protection enabled. If you ever want to turn it off later, you can come back to the same security section and toggle it off again. So that's how to enable typo protection in Edge. It only takes a moment, but it can make your browsing experience a lot safer and more reliable. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and useful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.